Hello, little friends. Are you ready to go on a fun adventure with animals? Today, we will learn the names of 30 animals in English. Some are big, some are small. Some swim, some fly, and some hop around. Let's look, listen, and learn together. Can you say the names with me? Let's start now.
Dog. This is a dog. Dogs are very smart and friendly. They say woof woof. Cat. This is a cat. Cats are soft and love to play. They say meow. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and hop fast. Panda. This is a panda. Pandas love to eat bamboo. Elephant. This is an elephant. Elephants have big trunks and say toot toot. Lion. This is a lion. Lions roar loudly in the jungle. Fox. This is a fox. Foxes are clever and have bushy tails. Penguin. This is a penguin. Penguins live where it is very cold. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. Dolphins are smart and jump high in the water. Chicken. This is a chicken. Chickens say cluck cluck. They like to peck the ground for food. Duck. This is a duck. Ducks say quack quack. They love to swim in the water. Fish. This is a fish. Fish swim in the water and don't say any words. Horse. This is a horse. Horses say neigh. They can run very fast. Bird. This is a bird. Birds say tweet tweet. They fly high in the sky. Frog. This is a frog. Frogs say ribbit ribbit. They jump and live near water. Turtle. This is a turtle. Turtles walk slowly and carry their homes on their backs. Monkey. This is a monkey. Monkeys say ooh ooh ah ah. They like to climb trees. Whale. This is a whale. Whales sing beautiful songs in the ocean. Bee. This is a bee. Bees say buzz. They help flowers grow by pollinating them. Crocodile. This is a crocodile. Crocodiles say hiss. They live in rivers and have big teeth. Tiger. This is a tiger. Tigers say growl. They are strong and have orange fur with black stripes. Owl. This is an owl. Owls say hoot hoot. They stay awake at night. Goose. This is a goose. Geese say honk honk. They like to walk near lakes. Bear. This is a bear. Bears say growl. They are big and live in forests. Squirrel. This is a squirrel. Squirrels like to eat nuts and climb trees. Flamingo. This is a flamingo. Flamingos are pink and stand on one leg.